Welcome to Elevate Innovation. Today we're going to show you how to assemble and disassemble a portable tasting bar. Let's get started. First, unpack the entire contents of the box. Remember to put those instructions to the side. Next, lay out all of your bar components. This helps ensure an easy assembly. Now, let's open the bar to extend the frame. Next, let's place the shelf in its designated space. It should click right into place. Now we'll add the bar top to the bar frame. And we're all done. Your portable bar is now ready for use. All right, now let's disassemble the portable tasting bar. First, open the portable bar travel bag. Next, remove the bar top and the shelf. Just place them to the side for now. Next, close the bar frame as shown and place it in the travel bag. It should fit nice and snug. Next, zip the bag halfway up on both sides of the bag to secure the bar frame. Now just place the bar top and shelf in the bag and completely zip the travel bag to secure the portable bar, and you're all set to go. Thanks for watching. This has been an Elevate Innovation production. Don't forget to subscribe.